Welcome to Make It Easy. Imli Chutney is a sweet and sour tamarind dip, usually served with Indian snacks. This sweet and tangy chutney is a combination of raw tamarind and jaggery, cooked with aromatic spices. Here's an easy recipe for Khatti Meethi Imli ki chutney. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Take 1 cup of raw imli. Here I am taking the tamarind along with the seeds. I haven't de-seeded it. I'm adding it to the boiling water as such. Let it cook until the pulp comes out and the liquid becomes a little viscous. After cooking for 4 to 5 minutes, you can see now the water has become pulpy. And now it's the time to strain this. We will strain this pulp so that we get a smooth consistency of the liquid. Now this is the tamarind pulp that we will use for further cooking and making of the imli chutney. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and now add the imli pulp to this oil. Add half a cup of jaggery or good. You can also substitute jaggery with dates or sugar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of kala namak or black salt. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, regular salt. And now I'm adding fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. You can also use fennel powder, but here I am adding the fennel seeds. The fennel seeds impart a very nice flavor to the imli chutney. And finally here I have added some jeera powder or cumin seed powder. And now I will switch off the flame. Now I have been cooking this for 4 to 5 minutes and you can see it has thickened quite a bit. And we will now switch off the flame. It's got a nice color, the consistency is perfect and it has an amazing taste. Now transfer it to a bowl. Allow it to cool and enjoy with your favorite snack. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Visit Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.